Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Feedly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to change their profile name on Feedly. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go ahead and click on your profile name on the upper left hand corner. Next, you're going to click on settings, and then from here, you want to click on to where it says your profile. So click on your profile right over here. Now on this page here, you could actually do a couple of things. You could actually change your email, you can change your family name, and here is where you're going to change your profile name. So with your profile name, you can just change it right over here. And in addition to that, you could actually go ahead and remove your profile picture or replace your profile picture. But after you're done, just click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your name on Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.